Does your Netflix only work on Wi-Fi but completely stops working when you switch to mobile data on your iPhone? This usually happens because cellular data is turned off for Netflix, low data mode is enabled, or your mobile network is blocking streaming. Here's how you fix it. Solution 1. Enable cellular data for Netflix. Open your Netflix app. Tap your profile. Go to My Netflix. Now tap the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Tap App Settings. After that, tap on Cellular Data Usage. Make sure it's set to Automatic. Then go back. Toggle off Wi-Fi only under Downloads. Now check your issue. Solution 2. Turn off Low Data Mode. Open Settings. Tap Cellular. Now tap on Cellular Data Options. Now tap Data Mode. If Low Data Mode is on, turn it off by selecting something else. Solution 3. Enable Cellular Data Permissions. Open Settings. Scroll down to Apps. Then look for Netflix. Once you find it, tap on it. Make sure cellular data is enabled from here. If it's disabled, you will not be able to use mobile data for Netflix. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Go to Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode and confirm. And that's it. With these solutions, your Netflix should start working perfectly on mobile data on your iPhone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Netflix and iPhone fixes. See you in the next one.